Okay, so I'm going to try to do this one-handed. I'm going to install this special solenoid saver board into this System 11 pinball machine. First thing you do is disconnect the connector on J19. There's usually two of them. Take the special solenoid saver board and connect it like that. You install the connector onto its header, and to get the indicators to work, you would have to tie this line to a convenient ground. Once you do that, tighten it up. That's all there is to it. Now the specials are all protected.